Good afternoon, dear children. This is your English teacher. Now take out your English textbook and open page number 51. So, dear children, as you know that we are just studying the our story, that is Robinson Crusoe. So in last video we have learned that the Robinson Crusoe was saying that many days he was afraid. For many days he was so scared, okay, and he was just prayed to God for protection. But after some day, when he got panic, when he got then he thought that he should go there, okay, once he should go there once again, and to the shore and check that footprints once again. And he should check it with his own footprints also, because it might be his own footprint, okay. So he was thinking that in some days his fear gets control, and he was now can comfortable, so he decided to go there once again, okay. So let's see what happened next, okay. So dear children, uh, however, as I went about for 2 or 3 days and saw nothing, I became a little bolder. I decided to go down to the shore again. Decided to go down the shore again and examine the footprint once more. I decided to measure it with my own footmarks. As I come closer to the footprint, I realized that it could not be my footprint, because I had not come to this part of the beach since a long time. Secondly, as I placed my foot alongside that footprint, it seems larger than my own. My fear returned. I went home again, believing that there was someone there. The island was inhabited. Okay, so what happened? He decided to go to that place again. So when he went to the place again, when he went to the shore again to check the footprint, he realized that the footprint is bigger than his footprint, okay. The footprint is very much bigger than his foot, and his footprint is so small as compared to that footprint. So secondly, he was thinking that how this footprint can be his, because he had not come to that part on the beach since a long time, so it could not be his footprint. And moreover, that footprint is larger than his footprint, so it should be not his. So once again he scared and frightened. His fear returned, and he went to his home again, and he was believing that there was someone whose footprint that was, okay. There should be someone else on that island, so that means that island was inhabited means someone else is also there, okay. The place is occupied by someone, it is occupied by someone, okay. And he was not alone, so he was frightened, because it could be anyone who might kill him and eat him. So he was very much scared. So this was the story, okay, of the Robinson Crusoe. I hope you have understand it, okay. So dear children, let's repeat this paragraph again, okay. So what happened when he realized that he should be when he should be a little comfortable, and he realized that he should go there once again to the shore and check that whether that footprint is his or any other person, okay. So he decided to go there once again. Then when he decided to go that place again, when he went to that shore again to check the footprint, so he realized that the footprint is bigger than his foot, and his footprint is so small as compared to that footprint. And secondly, he was thinking that how this footprint can be his, because he had not come to that part of beach since a long time. Okay, so he just started thinking that how could that footprint came there. Okay, so it could not be his footprint, and it is concluded that the footprint is larger than his footprint, so it should be not his. So once again he's scared, again he gets scared, and again he gets frightened, and his fear again return. And when his fear returned, he went to his home again. He just ran towards his cave, and he just started believing that there was someone whose footprint was that. Okay, and he just get very very frightened again, because he was just thinking that there should be a someone else on that island. Okay, so that means that island was inhabited. Okay, and the inhabited means the wild people. Inhabited, inhabited by the savages. The savages means the wild people. Okay, in a primitive stage. Okay, that means they are the wild people tribes, and they are the man eaters also. Okay, in Hindi we can say the Adivasis. Okay, that means the tribes. Okay, old tribes, they are lived in primitive stage. Okay, they are the man eater, they are the animal eater. Okay, so he just got so much scared. Okay, uh, and he was started thinking that the island was inhabited and it is occupied by someone. Okay, so he was not alone there, so he was frightened, because it could be anyone who might kill him, and he might eat him. So he was very much scared. So this was the story. I hope you have understand it. Okay, the story of Robinson Crusoe. Okay, so dear children, this is the end of this story. I hope you understand this story. So if you have any problem regarding to this story, you can ask me. Okay, in tomorrow's video I will tell you the whole story. Okay, in one video, so that you can easily get and easily understand the whole story. Okay, then we will start our question answers. Okay, so dear children, I hope you understand the story of Robinson Crusoe. Okay, and tomorrow I will tell you the full story uh, in one video. So till then, it's goodbye from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.